What's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be a part of my life, you could go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Well, today I'm going to be working at home. But something I really don't like is to feel ugly at home with a messy bun, being smelly, staying on your PJs the whole day, and doing like no skincare. But changing up on that just a little bit, I feel like you could feel very pretty at home, and I believe that is self-care. But on top today, I'm gonna go with the no makeup look. Guys are probably like, what the heck? But yeah. First of all, I'm gonna add sunscreen because even though I'm home, I still see sunlight. Like this light, although there's that light, like there is still UV going on. Ow! And one of the reasons why Koreans have such nice skin is because they take their sunscreen game seriously. Okay, next I'm gonna apply cushion foundation from Misha. And this is shade 23, which is a little bit darker than my usual colors, but I like that because it applies a little bit more natural. I'm just gonna cover the red areas like my chin, under my nose, my dark circles, and a little bit on my forehead. It's basically like the highlight areas where you want your face to be a little bit lighter. I don't cover my dark circles like too harshly because I feel like, I don't know, there's a look to that. But then I did break out a little bit on my cheeks, so I'll just cover that a little bit. For those that have nice skin, you guys could just cover bits in your problem areas and red areas. But for me, because I'm like kind of like breaking out season right now, I just covered up a little bit more with foundation. And I like to use cushion foundation because it's fast. And I especially like this one because with little amounts, it spreads really nicely. Like even with the cushion foundation, I just look alive. Next for the brows, I'm gonna use Anastasia Brow Wiz. This applicator is really thin, so it's really good for natural eyebrows. So I'm not gonna shape them at all, but I'm just gonna fill in a little bit of the bold areas. As you see, no shaping, just focusing more in the center of the eyebrows so that the outer side could be a little bit messy, which is the natural look. And after you're done with it, if you feel like you did a little bit strong, I recommend you guys to brush the eyebrows to make it natural. But mine's fine right now, so I'm gonna leave it. Next, I'm gonna go with blush. I will be using Rome and Strawberry Milk. I usually go more for a purple blush, but today, baby pink is a must. And for the area, I'm gonna spread this pretty widely, probably all around here like this. Connecting it a little bit with my eyelid. Wait, I love the color, but I wish it was like a little bit stronger because I'm a strong blusher, so I'm gonna add a little bit more with the Fui. Really lightly, like 진짜 조금. I just applied it a little bit more in the center of my cheeks. Okay, I love the color now. And then from here, if you guys have long lashes, you guys could just lift it up, no mascara. But for me, I'd rather not because when my eyelashes are flat, it kind of gives me an eye outline. So sometimes I look better with no lash curled. And then for lips, I want to go glossy because when there's a little bit of shine in your face or anywhere, like sparkle, it just makes you extra prettier. And with the color, I want to go natural, so I think from this, I'll just build up a little bit more with a glossy product. This one is so natural, like I love it. Do you guys see how natural that is? I'm just gonna go full lips with this. Actually, it's too dark, I don't like it. And guess what? We are done with the no makeup look. And now, let me go change really quick to home clothes. Alright, I am back. I just have to throw on like off shoulder and then comfortable like shorts. Like if you're gonna spend time changing anyways, like might as well use the same amount of time, but just choose a cute fit. Like there's so many clothes out there that are cute but affordable and comfortable at the same time. Okay, now last step. I don't want to be smelly throughout the day because I'm just like sitting, not doing anything. For those that know, I'm a scent lover, but honestly, perfume is kind of too strong for home. So I instead like to put mist. So I'm gonna put Sol de Janeiro. And this is a really widespread mist. So just once and I'm done. I'm ready to face the world today. And my last addition to my fit, I do need my glasses because I use this the whole day when I'm working at home because it does have the blue light glasses. And I feel so much better, so much prettier, so much more productive than me earlier, like 5 minutes ago. Yes, it only took me 5 minutes to do this. So if you're working from home, something I really highly recommend is to at least change out from your PJs and put on sunscreen. And for my girly girls, if we're gonna tie our hair with like a normal rubber band, why not use a scrunchie? It uses the same amount of time, same amount of effort, so why not choose a cuter hair tie? Even with very minimal amount of makeup, like I feel great right now. Like I feel pretty. And I know for a lot of my Monolid girlies, you guys could feel insecure about your eyes, having no makeup on your eyes whatsoever. But I encourage you to try this method that I do to feel pretty at home even with no eye makeup on. Anyways, that is it for my video. I hope this video was helpful. And if you liked it, don't forget to give me a like. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Good luck on work or school. Bye!